and welcome to ProCoat's official video tutorial series. I will be your guide. And in today's video, we'll be talking about this little item right here, a lightning to lightning audio adapter. So, as all of you may know, certain iPhone items nowadays and other Apple products don't necessarily have an auxiliary port. They unfortunately lack it. So, this little item right here will provide a rather convenient little solution to that. Simply take the lightning port, if you will, or lightning cable, or the Apple cable, connect it to your Apple device, and then through these two little ports right here, you can connect your other items. Now, this little port right here is for any auxiliary cables, AUX cables, if you will. You can simply connect it in and connect it to, say, a microphone or perhaps a headset, and you can use earphones or your headset through this little item if you wish to use it wired. This little section, however, is mostly for charging purposes. So if you need to charge your Apple device but you're still using it for other purposes, like again you have an auxiliary port inside, you will simply connect your Apple item to here, the charger cable, and you can charge your product while using it for other needs. Just a quick recap. Like I mentioned, this port right here for auxiliary ports, for your auxiliary cable. Be it if you want to listen to music through your headset or if you want to connect it to a microphone, this is where you connect it to. This, like I mentioned, is for a charging port. It is for you to charge your Apple items, or if you need to transfer something from your Apple item to a USB drive, you will connect the USB drive to here and simply connect the lightning to your Apple product. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Please do hit that like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more from ProCoat. Thank you very much.